And as you saw in the previous episodes, we covered Dunhill Castle, Fenner, Ballyscanlon, and now we're back along the coast. We're just a bit further along from Boatstrand Harbour, and we're now at Dunabrattin Head, which I've never been here before, so I'm going to show you that for the first time ever. So once you're parked up, you just look out for these steps, and they will take you to the yonder field. And we've chosen a great day for it. Again, we're in the first week of May, and we've had a terrible May bank holiday weekend, what with the chilly weather, hailstones, snow in some cases in parts of the UK, I believe. But in Ireland, we just got cold, windy and rainy weather. So just carrying along this track here, public footpath. I think that fence might be electric, but I dare not try it. I just got to be careful walking along these coastal paths. I should be paying more attention to what's in front of me rather than the camera. But just have a look at that. Glorious blue sky, blue seas. That's the Celtic Sea in front of us, with those stack formations and the rocks. Wow, you wouldn't think you're in Ireland at all. Look at that, another gorgeous view from Dunabrattin Head. And we're coming up to late afternoon now. It's so calm and peaceful. Yeah, just going through all the gorse hedges, the long grass. It's a trek in itself. Manage that one then. Just jump down. Oi. So just be careful if you can. Lots of prickly things to avoid. And don't forget the electric fence. I think it is electric. I dare not touch it, but if any of you care to volunteer at a later stage, be my guest. Actually, that fence isn't electric. I took on the laborious task of touching it, and to my shock and horror, I wasn't, well, I'm still alive. But I think it's better just to climb over the fence because the pathway does get a little bit sketchy. And there's a far better path in the field which heads up to what looks like a hut structure you can see on the horizon there in the distance, which is our destination. Just had to stop here for a moment to marvel at the wonderful view we're getting of the County Waterford Copper Coast countryside. We're nearing our final destination just for this little section of my vlog. Just still right on the cliff edge, so just be careful still. There is a bit of a pathway below me, and we have reached this hut. I'll try and find some more information about it if I can, and include it in captions, that is, if it's available. And here we are, Dunabrattin Head in all its glory. And if you see just there, those little rocks sticking out, that's where Annestown is. I'll just give you a pano view of it. It takes you about 5 minutes walk if you're rushing it, or if you want to enjoy the scenery like myself, maybe at least 10 minutes. So I suggest you do the latter. And I was just about to leave this spot when, if you just look to your left of where the hut is, I spotted this striking feature in the cliffside. It looks almost like slate, that it's been cut out of the side of the rock, that it looks very uniform.